It was a lot going on yesterday.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. This is part 2 of my raw vegan journey. Okay y'all, today is actually day 5 of my raw vegan journey. I did not record on the camera in day 4, but I did record on my phone. I vlogged everything. Let me start off with, I woke up that morning super tired because I had a catering gig that I told you guys from part 1. So that was January 4th. Call time was 10 a.m. Good morning, you guys. It is 9 something in the morning. I'm packing the car, getting ready to go to my catering gig. I am tired, as you can see, very low energy. I think I'm gonna pop one of those little nasty energy packets again. And also, I think breakfast will be apples and peanut butter. I told you guys I was gonna cheat. That was my cheat. I'm gonna have peanut butter. It is what it is. I had packed peanut butter to eat before I started the gig, but I wasn't hungry. I didn't want to force myself to eat. I know I probably should have, because I didn't get to eat until after the catering gig was over, y'all. Y'all, that went so well. I am thirsty. I am hungry. It is 3 something. It is 3:13 p.m. I have not eaten yet. I did taste like the stuff I could, the kale salad, I could taste that, but I literally tasted it. So I've been up since 8. It's 3 something, cooking, frying. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to my friend. I don't know if she's gonna watch this video, but oh my gosh, Danielle, you know I love you. You wait till I can pay you, girl. You wait. She came through, helped me cook, cut up, sliced, plated, fried, diced, and tasted. I was like, girl, sorry y'all, I don't know where that cut off at, but Danielle called me. But anyway, I was saying thank you to you, girl. Thank you, because she did so much work. Without her, this would literally not been possible, because I couldn't taste my own food. So she was my taste buds for me to add some salt, pepper, whatever it needed. The family was all meat eaters, a lot of business owners in the building who gave me advice on business and how to expand. So I'm so grateful. It was just all around beautiful. But I'm sitting in the middle of the neighborhood, y'all. So I'm gonna talk to you when I get home, and I'm eating my apples, because I ain't ate yet and I'm hungry. After I got done with the catering gig, not only did I shove my apples and peanut butter in my mouth, I shoved the walnuts and cranberries, I shoved the tomatoes and avocado, and then I kind of just relaxed. I didn't fall asleep, but I kind of relaxed on the couch for about 2 hours. I was that exhausted until I had to go babysit that night. I got a smoothie on the way to babysitting from Moorish Medicine, which is not at all far away from my house. It's actually one of the only healthy food places around here, because I live in a sort of food desert when it comes to like convenience of healthy food. So I got the smoothie. I was full up until about 8 or 9 o'clock, and I had brought some more chickpea tuna to eat for dinner at their house. Now I did realize from the last video that chickpeas are not raw. Duh, Erin, they're boiled before you put them in the can. So I'm gonna try my best not to eat any more chickpeas for the rest of this journey. I'm not gonna promise y'all, but I'm gonna try not to eat any more chickpeas because they're obviously cooked. So that was pretty much the end of my day 4. It wasn't exciting, besides the fact that I fed a bunch of meat eaters without tasting my food, but my friend was there to do that for me. So that was the end of day 4. Like I said, today is day 5. I am going to the grocery store today, but I'm also about to go out to eat right now. I'm going to the Tassils Raw Reality, a very popular raw kale wrap place here in Atlanta, Georgia. They sell more than kale wraps, but that's their big seller. So I'm of course gonna take you guys with me. Oh, and the reason I'm so kind of fancy today, y'all, is because I'm going house hunting with my friend. I'm not getting a house, but I want to look the part. Like, we don't like that chandelier. Another house, please. Y'all, I've been going all day. I'm just walking in the house. It is 7:10 p.m. Okay, what have y'all missed? I lost my phone at Kroger. That was fun. We went to go see open houses, like I said before I left. I did go to Tassils. I shot some footage of that. I don't know if you already saw it. Maybe you're seeing it right now. Can I get a full punani on seaweed? Let me get mixed. Y'all, I devoured that wrap. Y'all see my lipstick is gone. I only ate half because I did get a full wrap. Got my friends a half a wrap. And I got a juice. And I'm like, it was $41. $41. not coming back no more while I'm on the raw. Now, I know there's an extra charge for the seaweed wrap, which is ridiculous, by the way. And I know there's an extra charge because I added barbecue sauce. Raw barbecue sauce, of course. But I'm like, how did we get to $41? So I grabbed the menu. Child. Grab the menu. Be right back. Let me look and see what happened. I haven't had anything else to eat besides the other half of my wrap. So I had the wrap for breakfast, I had the wrap for lunch, and now we're here at dinner. I went to Kroger to go get some more groceries after we left the open houses. Left my phone, went to my mom's house. Instead of just waiting like maybe 10 minutes and then going in and seeing if somebody returned it, I went to my mom's house like an idiot to find my iPhone. Just to find out that the phone was at Kroger. So I turned right back around, 25-minute drive, back to Kroger, back to my mom's house because yeah,
I'm not sure I understand.
Me neither, Siri. Anyway, I got it, okay? Let me show you guys what I got from the store. Frozen fruit that is not so frozen anymore from being driven around for hours. Let me put this up. Diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and tomato sauce. I'm gonna try to make a curry. Got some more curry powder because I'm out. And I got some butternut squash noodles because I cannot find my spiralizer and I never had butternut squash noodles. So this will go with our curry. Got some prunes because I don't know, I actually like prunes. Got some stir fry veggies that were on sale because I'm gonna try a raw peanut stir fry. Again, I know peanuts aren't raw. I don't care. Some more chia seeds because we need to make that pudding again. Some dates so I can make raw cheesecake. Lettuce. I mean, you need lettuce. And some more cumin because I was out. That's all I got for $38. All right, guys, so I'm ready to make my dinner. I am not hungry by no means, but I just want to have something different. So I really been wanting a burger, not a processed burger, but I just want a sandwich, basically. I really want a sandwich. So I'm going to just make up a recipe. I saw that Tabitha Brown made up her recipe, so I'm gonna make up one too and have me a burger. I don't know what I'm doing. We just gonna hope it turn out right, okay? All right, guys, these are walnuts I soaked on day 1. So they have been soaking for 5 days. They still were like a little tad bit crunchy, but it didn't matter because we're about to pulverize them. So taking a cup of the walnuts, taking a cup of the mushrooms, and I'm gonna mix those together. Now you're gonna see that after I pulverize these, I should have took it out. This is where I went wrong. I'm plugging up the food processor, okay, chop, 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 boom, take these out, okay? Take it out. Don't do what I'm doing. Now I'm putting in some garlic, the leftover sun-dried tomatoes, so about what, 4 or 5 of those bad boys go in there. Then I'm putting in some liquid smokes, a couple drops, about a tablespoon of coconut aminos, and I'm gonna pulverize some more. This is where this is about to turn into straight look at that, mush. And I'm still not taking it out. Ugh. Now I'm putting in a half of a yellow bell pepper, y'all. I'm looking at the tragedy. Oh, that was a bad piece of the bell pepper that I'm leaving out. Now I'm adding salt and pepper to the mix. Some steak seasoning. Again, this flavor slapped, y'all. Oh, it's so good. But, oh, I'm about to make some straight mush, okay? Still in the top. Peppers won't fit, so I'm going to push them down. I'm going to force them. Force them down there, Erin. Yes, girl. Oh, my God. I see the mush happening. Do y'all see the mush? So instead of taking the mush out, I had the nerve to try to add some mushrooms on top of the mush. What are you thinking, Erin, of the past? I don't understand. I really don't understand what I was thinking. Try to add some more walnuts. Girl, goodbye. It's ruined. It's over. Hang it up. And then after I knew that the mush was done, I decided to add 2 tablespoons of chia seed to see if that would like solidify like an egg. Yeah, it's a no. All right, I'm still gonna put it on a patty and make it work. It looks so gross. So here's our finish. I don't want to call it tuna. It obviously looks just like tuna. But yeah, here's our burger. You know, what could we call this? A tuna burger? Tuna. It tastes amazing. I wish y'all could taste it. Okay. Oh, and let me know if I can have pickles. It does have like the calcium dioxide and stuff to preserve it, but let me know. All right. This is so good. Oh my, the flavor. Oh man, I mean, no way in heck I eat this without lettuce. No, I would need something crunchy because the burger is mush. This is bomb though. Oh, I just hit the mustard. Only thing that will set this off is my coconut bacon, but I ain't gonna cheat and put that on here. Okay, I'll be back. All right, guys, let's revisit our chia seed pudding. Same recipe as before. I'm seeing how it's not as solid if you don't leave it overnight. This was only left for about an hour. I'm adding the frozen berries, and then I'm adding walnuts, and then I'm adding the coconut flakes to the bowl, and voila, that is all I did. We have way better chia seed pudding. 9:31 p.m. I am eating this dessert for no reason other than I wanted something sweet. We redid our chia seed pudding. Don't it look much better? The berries we bought from Kroger, the walnuts, fresh coconut, not fresh, this is not fresh, coconut flakes, and of course the chia seed bottom. Oh, look at it, so pretty. All right, so let's mess it up. Now you can mess it up as you make it pretty for yourself. Yeah, oh, see, it look nasty again. Oh, but let me get everything in one bite. Oh, not gonna lie, I want to put some peanut butter on here. The only reason I didn't, because like I told you guys, I'm eating peanut butter during this journey, is because I know it's so much fat in here already. I didn't need another nut. Walnuts and chia, that's enough. So add more agave because like it's sweeter. This is not sweet. Y'all saw a little squirt I did. It's not that sweet, but I'm fine with this level of sweetness. Like it gives it enough kick. So all right, that's the end of day, what is it? That's the end of day 5. See y'all tomorrow. Good afternoon, guys. It is January 6th, therefore it is day 6 of my raw vegan journey. It is 12:20 p.m. I am about to eat. I made another one of my raw mush burgers. It's been sitting out for like 20 minutes. I didn't want to eat it like cold, but breakfast. I have some chia seed pudding in the freezer I'm gonna take with me for my dessert slash snack. Because I'm gonna go, after I get dressed, I'm gonna go to Perimeter Mall to get my MacBook looked at because my Final Cut Pro is missing some features. And I paid $300 for Final Cut, which is what I edit with, and I need all the features to be functioning, okay? Okay guys, it is 7:58 p.m. I am back home. If you listen carefully, you hear that slight humming in the background. I finally opened my dehydrator that I had for 2 years, y'all. 2 years I had a dehydrator just up in the laundry room, and I was like, this is the time to open the box and use it. So I rinsed off the compartments per instructions, and it says to run it for 30 minutes. So that is what y'all hear in the background. So we letting it run. I'm not dehydrating anything tonight. I just want to have it ready for when I'm ready for it to dehydrate something. Since I last saw you guys, I did not go to Apple. They said the wait was 4 hours when I called ahead of time. And I was like, oh, I'm a nanny. So I picked up my kids from their school. We went to Ardens Garden, and I picked up a taco salad and dessert, a raw delight. I actually wanted to get a smoothie, but they were out of almond milk. Shame on y'all. So I just had those 2 things to hold me over. Then little girl Isabel, she said, Miss Erin, get a Grand Slam. And I'm like, I don't need nothing else, I'm full. And I'm like, wait, actually a Grand Slam would be good because I have not had coffee since I started this raw journey. So I took the Grand Slam, which I've had before, and instantly I was ready to go to the park. So I took the kids to the park, had a good old time, went back to their house, did my nanny thing, and now I'm back home. I just don't feel like cooking anything, y'all. So guess what's for dinner? Another raw burger mush. Before I turned on the camera, I was snacking on a lot of prunes. So guess who had to drop the kids off at the pool? Oh, I am gonna go ahead and soak some cashews and walnuts because tomorrow I do wanna make cheesecake. I already have a video on that if you wanna just go ahead and look it up. All right, let's do a wrap up on how I feel. I don't wanna disappoint y'all. I really wanna be like, oh my God, I'm glowing. I feel the same. I don't want to make promises for tonight, but I think tomorrow night I'm gonna really try not to have my phone because again, I really wanted my sleep to improve, but it's not. I mean, it's not. It's the same, but I also have a terrible bed. Let me stop telling my business. Tomorrow is gonna be day 7, so I am gonna take my measurement to see if that improved. I don't feel like it has. I know a lot of you guys said I was eating too many nuts, but I refuse to be hangry. Not saying y'all are wrong, but if I'm hangry during this journey, I'ma quit, okay? As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. In day 7. I'll see you in day 7.